Don't scroll. As soon as you see this, like it, save it, and share it. This is your manifestation. Repeat after me. I am attracting blessings so big. My name will be whispered in rooms I haven't even stepped foot in yet. Money is chasing me. Opportunities are finding me. And every door I thought that was closed is flying open in my favor. I am walking into rooms prepared for my success. Meeting people aligned with my dreams are stepping into my life. I want the peace I deserve. The universe is shifting in my favor right now. This isn't luck, it's alignment. The love I want and the peace that I have prayed for are already mine. My season has arrived and I'm ready to receive it all. The money, the love, the peace, the opportunity, they're mine. Everything I prayed for is on its way and I'm just catching up to it. Listen, I'm going to need you to build so boldly in what God gave you that Harold has to call an emergency meeting just to figure out how to stop you. And can't. I need you to move so radically that the people who once doubted you choke on their own disbelief watching you multiply. I need you to create with such fire that the same people who counted you out are now forced to study how you did it. I need you to build so fiercely that the very place the enemy attacks you becomes the exact place you cash in on overflow. This is the great lock-in. From September 1st to December 31st, heaven is watching for the ones who will stop playing small and finally move like they were chosen. This is not about hype, it's about war. It's a spiritual lock-in on the vision God placed on the inside of you. It's about locking in on your assignment until delay has no access to you anymore. And if you're really ready, you won't just get inspired and get goosebumps and keep scrolling, because inspiration without action keeps you living beneath the woman you're called to be. You'll take the vision he gave you, turn it into a system that feeds you, funds you, and frees you. Because overflow doesn't come to the hesitant. It comes to the locked in.